Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and follow artists on SoundCloud. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for SoundCloud and click on the first link right over here. Now once you've done that, make sure that you're already logged in into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. I hope you are logged in as well. If you don't know how to, I've already made a video on that. Now if you want to go ahead and search for a artist that you go ahead and like, so for example, let's say Juice WRLD right over here. I'm gonna go ahead and search for him and he's right over here. So Juice WRLD from Chicago, simply go ahead and click on the first link right or the first tab, and now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and follow him is click on this follow button on the right hand side, and that is about it. Now whenever they drop a new music, you're gonna be notified. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.